Hey everyone and welcome back. I'm Mr. Stoltz and today I'm taking a look at a hiking shoe, an outdoor shoe, not for running, not for that, just enjoying outdoors, wilderness, whatever you guys you want to do. ACG, Nike, all conditions gear. You can use it for whatever. I'm really excited to start this review, so I'm going to do it straight away. Box is really nice, by the way. I haven't talked about box in a long time, but it says ACG Nike up here, and then all conditions gear right here. It's black, it's this. It's kind of nice. I like it. And this with a splash of orange at the front. Really, really nice. So let's take it out and see what it looks like. Oh, even the paper is really nice. ACG and Nike. Not very often I talk about it, but today I felt I wanted to address it just in a few seconds. I know some people don't like it when we address the box or the inside paper, but hey, it's my channel. I can do whatever I want. Put it right here. Here you go. So this is the ACG Nike Dog Mountain. It is very colorful and there is a lot of things going on. So first of all, so this is a ACG. This is a hiking shoe, so you're not supposed. When you go out hiking, you don't want an Epic React. You don't want an Ultra Boost. You want a shoe that is a little bit warmer, that has a lot of traction, that is better, and I believe that this is a shoe that can handle the job. So this is what it looks like all the way around it. Really nice shoe. So starting at the toe box, we have the suede upper in a great quality, and then in the middle right here we have this yellow, black, grayish, this two-dimensional boxes. Really nice. It will not let in a lot of there's not a hole in it, so it will not let in a lot of water. So I had some friends of mine asking, is this water resistant? Is this waterproof? I would say it's water resistant, not waterproof. Because right here you can see that it's open, like it doesn't, like some shoes with the inner of the tongue, it connects to the side so water can't slip in, but on this you can do that, so that's why it's water resistant. It's not waterproof, but it's still a really nice hiking and trekking shoe, so really nice. So that's it. Moving up, we have these thick round laces. And one thing that I like about it, moving all the way up towards these really pink lace connectors and these white holders right here in the middle, all the way up here we have the lace connector all the way at the top. And if you see, if I'm pulling this way, you can thread it through, but this way it is really stiff. You have to like force it because there's a rubber right here, so once you drag it out it opens up, and when you let go it closes again. So that means that you could have this one like this and it will stay in place. You see that this way I can pull it through, but this way it's kind of, you have to force it. So that means that it's not as important to have a really tight grip right here. When you lace it up, it will stay in place. Just a little nice little added thing that I noticed that I like. Maybe other people don't really care about it that much, but I noticed that when I try to put it on, I have to like force it out, but I like it. Hey, so at the top of the tongue we have the ACG Nike logo in black and blue. Really nice. At the back of the tongue it's purple, and then we have the information label. That's what I like about this shoe. It's like almost like an 80s inspired shoe, because there's yellow right here, so you can tell on the inside of the shoe, and then it's pink, and then it's beige, and then it's black, and then it's blue. There's a lot of things going on this shoe, and I really like it. So that was its thing. Thick, nice tongue, beige, and then purple at the back, and the back right here. Why? There's a lot of things going on. So taking a look at the side of the shoe, first of all, it's suede, really great quality, and then this material just at the toe box continue here as well. There's not going to be any water coming in here, and I'm glad about that. The one thing is that it will get hot because it's not breathable, but at the same time, when you're out hiking, you want a warm shoe. You don't want a cold shoe. You don't want you want a warm shoe. So we have a big Nike swoosh logo in black and purple at this side, but not at the inner side of the shoe. Here we have an embossed swoosh logo at the back, so very subtle, very nice, and then with some digits at top as well. So this is what it looks like. And then we have this little plasticky thing going around, very grip friendly, all the way around it, yellow. Here we have some stitching as well. And then at the top, at the beginning of the midsole, we have this gray and white dotted part that goes all the way around it. And one of the things that I think is the coolest on this shoe is actually the midsole. The midsole is this foam. It has a little bit of bounciness to it when I press it, but it's still pretty stiff. But at the same time, you don't want a hiking shoe to be too soft, because when you're walking, when you're half running, whatever, in the forest, you don't want it to be bouncy. You don't want it to be that. You want to have control of your feet, because maybe you're walking over rocks or stones or uneven surfaces. You want it to be flat. You want it to be stable, not soft. So this one adds, in my opinion, a little bit of softness, but not too much, just perfect. And one of the cool things as well is that here we have a map inspired midsole. Really, really, really nice. So they thought about that. And first one I got, I was like, hey, that looks like that. And I was right. It is map inspired midsole, and it's about the small details. Really good job, Nike. ACG logo in blue on the inner side. Nope, no ACG logo, but still the continuation right here with the map inspired theme. So that is about it right here. Here we have added support as well. So when you're walking, you have more stability right here, because a lot of people tend to lean inwards a little bit if you don't have a super flat feet. Like I have a high arch. So for me, this is a great, yes. So there's a lot of things to take in on this shoe. That's why I'm trying to look at it at the same time when I'm speaking. Multicolored laces as well. I haven't tried it out yet. That's why it's still right here. But I believe that, which one do you think would look the best? This would be even more 1980s than this. This is more neutral. What would you go with? This 80s or this? I don't know. Should I go crazy with this one, or should I keep it like simple, less is more with this one? Leave a comment down below. So that was it. Taking a look on the inside of the shoe, we have a pink inner sock liner. It looks like this, and then with the black ACG Nike logo. Underneath, swoosh logo, bunch of numbers, ACG, really, really nice. And then it's also pink in the middle where it connects right here. You can see it. And that is about it on the upper of the shoe. Taking a look at the back, that's one thing as well. We have the pull strap in rubber, very, very heavy, very, very nice. This one will not break easily. ACG, black, blue, pink as well, holder, all the way at the back, at the down part right here. Down part, I don't even know what a down part is. The lower part of the back, that's what I was supposed to say. All conditions gear, that's what it says in this very rubberized, heavy part. And then we have 3M here, so you're visible at night in the forest with a lot of lights, but maybe when you walk out of the forest, you can be visible, right? So taking a look underneath of the shoe, there is a lot of traction on this shoe, and I like it, and I really like it. Black, purple, blue, hit the forest up, it says right here. These rigged parts right here, these extra traction pads here and here, ACG logo. Yes, it is. It's flipped. It's flipped. So when you are out walking, boom, you can actually see the ACG logo. Oh, it gets dirty right here. Something from this shoe has made it dirty. So ACG right here will be visible in the dirt. Really, really nice. Yeah, it's here as well at the front. I saw it. This one is flipped as well. Do Michael Jackson style. You put it right here, and then you can see ACG in its correct way. So it's mirrored the opposite way. Really, really nice, cool touches from Nike at this shoe. Really, really like it. So swoosh logo as well. As I said, there is a lot on this shoe and a lot of things. And I've been talking for 10 minutes now, but there is a lot of things. There's also 3M right here at the side of the shoe. Holy smokes, there's a lot of things on this shoe. So that was it. Let's see what this one looks like on feet. So that was it. What do you guys think about it? What does it look like on feet? Is this something that you would wear on a trail or not? Yes or no? One thing that I want to end this video with is the comfort level. It is really comfortable. It feels great on feet. The one thing I have though on this shoe, maybe it's just my feet, but the one thing that I dislike is that on all type of shoes, you see here, you have added support on the inner side that your foot is not supposed to lean inwards. But on this shoe, you actually have a little bit of this here as well. So, especially on my right foot, it feels like it's pressing up where it does not need to press up. So here, added support going up. On this side, also a little added support. So it feels kind of weird because it feels like it's pressing right here on my foot. This is my foot, it presses right here as well, just a little bit. So it's kind of annoying, but that's my only thing that's a negative thing about this shoe. I don't really know, has this been an issue for other guys as well, other people out there? Let me know, leave a comment down below what you think about it. Other than that, excellent shoe, true to size, feel great, excellent tracking shoe, 80s inspired theme, map right here, yada yada yada, a lot of great things. So that was it. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new to my channel, click right here to subscribe. Click here for more sneaker related videos, and do not forget to leave a big thumbs up. I truly enjoyed that. I truly enjoyed. Click that subscribe button and thumbs up. Leave a comment down below so I know that you like what I do, and I'll continue doing what I do. So thanks you guys for watching. Have a great day. See you later. Bye bye.